Here's the automation that you can sell to an accounting firm for $750 every single month. And it's basically gonna run their entire business on autopilot while helping them with all of these things right here. So it starts off when a customer fills out the online onboarding form. AI tool is going to analyze responses and sort the client into different service categories, like tax audit, corporate personal. Based on that category, we're going to send a notification to the appropriate account manager. We're also going to send the client an email for document upload based on the service category that they're in. This will be in the form of a secure portal. Once the documents are uploaded, our AI is going to analyze them and come up with key insights. Once completed, the client receives the option to schedule an onboarding call to meet their account manager, who's going to take them through their financial plan. Once that call is completed, a financial dashboard is automatically created and sent to the client so they can track their finances and their progress. We're gonna set a routine for quarterly document collection emails to be sent to the client so they can keep uploading their documents at every prearranged interval. We're gonna automatically send invoices via QuickBooks to the client so the accounting firm can continue to get paid. Animations like this can be huge for accounting firms because they have such high turnover and deal with so many different leads. Automate your accounting firm and save hours of manual work. Manage clients, streamline tasks, and boost productivity. DM me now to get started.